Hi guys, this is Chidema Blessing. Welcome back to my kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you guys, or we are going to prepare chicken meat pie, Nigerian chicken meat pie. So we are going to do it together today. So here are my recipe for the meat pie. This is my phone. This is my chicken breast, butter, Irish potato. I have my onion, pepper, garlic, and Maggi seasoning. Green pepper for the flavor, carrots, baking powder. This is my corn flour for thickening. I'll be using this evaporated milk. I have here my salt, just a pinch of salt, curry, thyme, and sugar. So here are my egg. I'll be using 2 to mix with the flour. Okay guys, let's go through this process together. Okay guys, my flour, and this is my butter. I'll first of all start by mixing the dry ingredients. This is my salt. Very careful with the salt. My sugar. Baking powder. Make sure you mix the flour with the butter, and make sure your butter is cold. Everything using for this chicken pie is cold. My milk, I put some ice there, and I have here with me my cold water with some ice inside it. Okay guys, so do you see the consistency we are getting? It's just sticky. You make sure you mix the butter with the flour very well. Then it's time to introduce our egg. Make a little bit hole inside. I'll add some cold milk. This is the hard part. Water with ice. Please be careful with the way you add. So you put it on your table, then you knit it. In this process, you don't have to knit it for long. Okay. So we are about to prepare the filling now for the chicken pie. So here is my pan on the fire. Add a little bit cooking oil. When the oil is hot, you add your onion, stir, curry, thyme, my habanero pepper, chicken breast. I cooked it and this is it already. I'll just add it. My chicken broth, seasoning, add a little bit salt because I put some when I was cooking the chicken. I added more water. Irish potato, diced Irish potato. I'll cover it. Allow it to cook for some minutes, then introduce my carrots. I will then put my green pepper just for the taste and the flavor. Oh my god, can you see the color? Corn flour, mix it with water. It will act as like a thickener to it. So I've taken now. Okay guys, I will cut it into like this. I think into 8 sizes. Okay, food. I'm using my hand to do it now. Then you use your fork to press it down so it will hold very well. It's already on the button. Okay, this one. Put your face. You don't want to much to and that's it. Okay, this just use your nose. Then, for everyone, use your face. Then, use the effect for the nose like this. So make sure you get everyone for this thing. And also, you take all the small size. So this one will also corner. So first, this one is. This is my egg. So I'm going to mix. I'm going to mix. This is no, I have some flour and only fish. Too much? Hi guys, sorry guys, I forgot I was doing video. I was busy doing my thing. So this is how far I have gone. This is the first one I baked. The second one is in the oven now. Sorry, I forgot to carry you guys along. It skipped my mind. I was doing that. So I still have this 5 remaining. So I want to use my air fryer for this remaining 5. So this is what I want to do now. And so this is the outcome of the first one I did. We have ate before from there. Oh my god. So I have to just open one in front of you guys. Did you see how it is? Let me open one. Did you see the inside? It's so juicy and crunchy outside. Oh my god. I wish you guys are here to eat it with me. So sweet. I will not lie to you guys. So crunchy outside. Do you see it? Oh good. Let me open the inside for you guys. Do you see it? It's okay. Thank you guys for watching this video to this extent. I might not come back, or I might come back to show you guys the outcome of everything. I think with this you can see how it is.
Thank you all for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thanks.